lot of students requested to do this video in English because as some of the students they can't understand Sinhala, right? So I told actually about the decision making, right? When we make the decisions, it can impact on others' lives as well, but we don't think that, right? We don't think if we make a decision, will it make any sense on others' life? We never think that. Okay, I'm going to talk about that fact, what we don't think. So really, when you make a decision, will it affect or impact on others' life? That's what I want to tell. Of course, obviously, right? That is going to impact on others' lives. For example, I'll tell you, right? For example, you have another friend, okay? You both are there, right? Now, in some case, okay, some small problem is occurring with you all, guys, right? You make a decision, right? For that moment, you might think like, but this is not suitable also, but you got that decision. If you get that decision, now you have to go with that decision. For that moment, right? Okay, you have done lots of things. One is you hurt your friend's feeling, right? He might done any mistake, that is not a problem, right? That might be a problem also, right? He might done any mistake, right? Purposely or without purposely, right? But anyhow, whenever you're taking the decision, like for example, if you break that friendship, right? Again, the same feeling won't come, right? Now done, the things done is done, right? Thereby, you have to know one thing. In each and every single thing, right? What we make in our life, there's a purpose. Always there we have two choices. When we have these two choices, we must need to think which is correct, which is wrong. Sometimes we might not think, we can't guess even which is what is correct, right? But for that time, the best thing what you can do is choose what you feel the most correct, most suitable, and which will not affect anyone. Choose that decision, right? For example, as I told the previous thing, right? Two friends, it is same thing happened for the same person again another time also. Now what is going to happen? This person will fed up, right? This person will feel like a feeding up with all the people. Now what is going to happen in the next step? He never going to believe anyone. If he didn't believe anyone, the cycle is rotating, right? Okay, so another one, if someone comes, right, who can give trust also, he won't believe, right? Just think how many of your lives being like this, how many of decisions you have taken like this, but you don't know the impact. Now I'll tell you the impact, what is going to happen. For that particular moment, you're going to take that decision, that is fine. But after that, because of that, you might affect your feelings. He or she might affect her or his feelings. The same time, okay, this impact will lead you to not to believe in others also, right? It is not stopping there, right? Then you will also become a person like that for others. If you became a person like that for others, now what is going to happen is, next step, right? Because of you, the cycle is rotating and another one will do the same thing, right? Now this cycle is rotating, right? Therefore, now so far this cycle is rotating here and there in everywhere in everyone's life, even including myself, right? But you must be the one who can break this cycle. If you be the pioneer to break this cycle, right, at least a small percentage that you have done from your side, your part has done, right? So be the one who breaks this cycle. In my previous video, I told, when your mother talks to you, if she's talking to you for at least last few words, if you are busy with some stuffs, right, once you didn't respond her, right, you couldn't because you got busy. So if you didn't respond, right, now next step what is going to happen is if she left us, what will happen, right? Now you will feel that as the biggest strategy in your life, just because of the decision what you made, right? If you made the correct decision at that moment, you might go there when mom calls or dad calls, right? Okay, then you might give that water, right? But you didn't. If you didn't, that means what, right? The next step, next moment of your life going to be changed totally. Is it only affecting you? No. If you think like it is only affecting you, no, it is not. Actually, that going to affect, right, the surrounding, the people surrounding you. For example, if I tell you, your friends will be affected from that, right? Especially your parents. The parents means like the dad or mom, right? Then your family members, right? Then your relatives, right? So likewise, lots of people going to be affected because of your stupidity, what you have done, right? I don't think that you can ask now, so am I the only reason to happen this everything? No. In that occasion, if you heard that and if you could do that, right, if you didn't respond to that, it is your fault, right? Nobody thinks like that. Everyone's going to put like a given excuse, and then they're going to put the account put the thing into the other's account. Don't be like that. If you heard that at that moment, right, if you could do something at that moment, right, if you didn't do, that is your fault. For example, in the classes, when I ask something, okay, it is your responsibility to answer. But in case if you didn't answer, right, what is happening? My mood will totally become spoiled, right? Then what is happening? The next step, what I want to teach you, but I will not. Why? That energy, that enthusiasm, that everything has gone at that moment, right? So in that case, I won't feel to give my total thing to you. So that is happening for the same, that happens for the other teachers as well. That's same, right? So this going to be same for other teachers as also, right? When they ask a question, if you didn't respond, you feel like, okay, I did a big thing and all. Do you think like that? No, right? You became the most foolish person in the world, right? Okay, you think like you want, like if you having the ability of responding, if you didn't do, you have spoiled not only your life, also others' lives as well. If you felt that, if you didn't do that, the fault is with you. Each and every one, right, whom you attending any classes with any kind of teachers, no problem. If they ask a question, if you having the ability of answering that question or anything, if you didn't respond, you are the reason, okay? You are the reason for that, right? So break that cycle. Whenever you can do something, you do, will you? Right? Nothing going to be loose, right? That you have to keep in mind, right? Otherwise, when you became the reason to spoil everyone's life, right? Don't be that person, right? Be a good human. We all have high human qualities, right? One good human quality is respecting others. Just respect others, right? If you respect others, automatically you will become a great human being, right? Everything what you give, you will get back. When you give respect, you will take the respect back. Okay, when like sometimes like you least expect for the respect from someone, but at that moment also you will gain the respect. Clear? So that these things you have to clearly keep in your mind, right? So this is the impact of decision, what it can make, right? Most of the people, they talk the rubbish things and everything about others, right? You became the first person to break this cycle. If they're talking some unwanted stuffs about others, just don't care, just don't listen, just go away, avoid from that, right? Okay, just like even you don't want to hurt them, right? Still you have some works, I have to go, please, right? Politely you take the excuse and you go away. Don't hurt in that occasion also. That is their quality, but you don't you don't want to become a bad person, right? So you don't want to show that you are like you are not ready to hear. You don't want to show that also. Just tell you have an important stuff, I'm really excuse, sorry, I'm going, right? So like that you should be able to avoid from these kind of things, okay? That is what makes you a good human being, right? Don't hear others rubbishes and everything. When you go and swipe in the Facebook or Instagram or something like that, you always click on the negative posts, not on the positive posts mainly, right? One or like few percentage only they are clicking on positive posts. Why? Right? Because the negative impact is more in this world currently. You want to break that, right? Okay, make the positive vibes into your life. Your life will be very brighter, right? Unless your life will be in darker, right? Even though for each and everyone's marketing style, you see with negative marketing, why they want to choose that? Because people like that, right? The mind setups like that, right? So while keeping these kind of mind setups, do you think you will be able to achieve things in the world? Do you think the people who are achieving in this world, becoming the millionaires, billionaires and everyone, do you think they have enough time to see others rubbish? No way, right? Everyone who sees others rubbish is like some doing in their unwanted time, like what you call, they don't know how to make the time worth precious, right? If they don't have enough work, they will go and see the rubbish and everything, right? So that is what they are doing. So these things you have to keep in mind thoroughly, right? You become the person who's breaking this cycle, right? Okay, so you see here, when I tell something, if it is a bad thing, if you share it, what happens, right? Now you will share it, right? Because some of you might have that advisors into your life. Now what is happening? Now done, finish now, right? But if I say something bad, what you have to take, what you have to do, if you see something bad, if you say something bad, right? If I or someone, right? Okay, be the one like who's breaking that cycle. Hide them, right? Hide their bad things, what happened for you, right? Okay, even the 99% bad character might have that 1% good quality. Each and everyone is not white characters, each and everyone is not black characters in this world, right? Everyone is a gray character, right? Each and every single one, right? You just think about yourself. Are you 100% good? No. In one aspect, 1% you might be bad, but you don't show it to others. That does not mean you are a 100% good character. Clear? Right? Therefore, you must need to understand clearly these things, right? So each and everyone in their stuffs, you see their good qualities. Even 99% bad quality. If someone is talking about that rubbish, just stop, man, right? Why? He's having this good quality, why don't you see that, right? Just argue with them. That's what you can do, right? If you did like that, right, now the circle will break. When this circle is breaking, what can happen? The most of the positive vibes, they can be increased in this world, right? So each and every single thing here is depending on your decision, what you're going to make on that particular moment. If you made the correct decision at that moment, you will win your life. If you make the correct decision when you're studying time, if you want to study, you just study. That is your decision, right? If you feel like to sleep at the studying time, when you choose the sleeping, right, you lose. You are a loser, right? You made the decision in the wrong way. But at the same time, if it's eagle, if your body needs rest at that time, if you start to study, you are a loser. Because at the proper time, you must need to know what's the decision I have to make that should be correct, right? That, like, always when you think of something, at the beginning what comes into your mind, that is the correct decision almost every time, right? So choose wisely when you're making decisions, right? So don't think even your study can cause another one's life, right, threatening, or it might be a good one, right? That depends on your decisions. So each and everyone in this world are interlinked with everyone, right? Your decision will make a huge impact on others' life. So that everything you have to keep in mind, right? If you lose this thing, if you lose this decision making thing in proper time, at the proper time and the proper manner, right, this will impact on others' lives, right? Not only in classes, not only in these social medias, right? Whenever something you have to share, right? Okay, if you think like that is not good, don't share it. It's a bad impact on. Okay, but the good things, like you see this video, right? Earlier I did the Sinhala video for this one, right? Okay, without like before coming 30 likes, 2 dislikes for this kind of video, then you think how the people's mind had got spoiled. I always realize why this, right? Some people's good, some good advices are there. I'm not talking about me, okay? Several good advices, but I can see dislikes. I don't know why people think like that. Sometimes by mistake only, but why people like that? Why they want to hate others, right? Why can't be them good human beings, right? They might be some impact of others, but why you don't become the pioneer to break that cycle? Why you don't think like that? What are you going to gain from this life? This is a very short life, right? You come here, you live about like 60 years and then you go away. What's the point, right? Be happy always. You want to smile. Smile little and see will you how nice is it, right? So just I don't want to prolong this, but the thing I want to tell you at all, right? When you make the decision, okay, each and every single stuff, right? Choose wisely. To choose things wisely. When you're talking, talk things wisely, right? Okay. Whenever you make the decision, you make the proper one, right? What your heart, okay, what your heart is thinking of, is it good? Is it not harming any others? Is it not hurting any others? Yeah, choose it, right? Do that thing, right? So prioritize these kind of things, right? It's up to you, right? It's you can change this world, right? I'll see you with another video. Until that, have a nice day. Bye.